Welcome back to the channel. We got the Josephs, and we didn't post this week during the week. Sorry about that, but we were busy making other moves, and also it was the girlfriend's birthday, so I would have got in trouble. But we'll keep that on the low. Whipped. But not whipped guy. But yeah, big things has happened. Kind of. Paid $600 for this crusty ass SR20. But
DET, mate.
DET factory S14 VCT motor. It's got a few bits on here if it's no good that we can. Oh fuck! It's still got the coils, mate.
Deal.
That we could sell. But what we're gonna do is pull it apart and take a look. Suspected blown head gasket. That's what he took it out for. But who actually knows until we get into it. But yeah, pretty stoked. He gave us box full of parts and shit as well. It had a fuel pump, wastegate, all those kind of things in it. So yeah, stay tuned for what this is going to lead to. What do you reckon?
Mate, it's gonna go hard, I think.
It's going to go harder than your fucking RB, pussy.
Probably.
Be finished before your RB too. What are your thoughts on putting this in the E36?
Yeah, something new.
Something
go
new.
hard, mate.
Go hard. Eurolife.
Beautiful.
What's that?
Tree that's been cut. Oh, before that.
Oh, that's that fucking breather for there.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's the drain down there too. Cam angle sensor. Yo, stoked. Coils. All the sensors on this side. Still got the oil filter on it. Pan looks alright. I wonder how many Ks this thing actually has.
Don't know. I reckon we should turn the crank if it does turn.
I don't know if I've got big enough bar.
We got a half-inch socket to try. Do you know what size that?
I'm not sure.
It's a big socket.
No, it's a big socket. So I just flipped this motor around so we can have a look at the front. It's crusty, but you know, if it's gonna get rebuilt, it's not that big a deal.
Did he drive it on the beach or something? Sand in it.
But yeah, we're gonna try turn the crank if we can find a socket big enough that we've got, and see if it turns over.
Oh, I'd say it's a 27.
But yeah, we might not. But we'll show you the front anyway, just for video purposes. So turns out we don't have a socket. But, that was short-lived. But now we can have a look at this thing, the state of this fucking.
And 34.
Jesus, that's crusty in there. Oh, that still spins. What's the water pump sound like?
Yeah, it's about to fall off.
No, that's just sitting on there for a start. But the pump itself sounds alright. There's no noises.
A bit of noise. Oh, AC still spins.
That's AC though, fucking delete that. Power steering. It's obviously had the typical SR oil leak. He's tried to patch it. Fuck, it's got a metal head gasket by the look of that. Someone's already been inside this thing.
Piece of something that's not good sign. That's it.
Do you reckon we should rip the cover off and have a look instead?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll rip the cover off. We'll have a look, see what it's like. Just having a look around at this box of random shit the guy gave us. We got some Cuzzy external gate set up. Rockwell Shop Series. Must have been from one of his tools. Some masking tape.
Always useful.
DE pipe. Some heater hose. Some vacuum line. Oh, what's this?
Oh.
Fucking airflow meter.
That's RB.
An RB airflow meter.
Is it RB? I think so.
It's black sticker, blue sticker by the look.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Purple sticker? Don't know.
Purple.
Probably DE or something. Some heat shields. Some more external gate pipe.
You got a quarter.
of shit that's in this bag.
The guy's on it with the Torx bit and some pliers.
Oh, cheer. Fuel pump. Oh, she's a bit crust. Oh no, it's got a sleeve on it. Looks like a Walbro.
Yeah.
255. To put some power to it, see if it goes. Not a bad score. With the external gate. What's this? Factory blow-off valve. What's this one? Another fucking...
Oh, yo.
A Scales blow-off valve, yo. Like we got all the shit, some springs. Goes off.
Yeah.
So we're just taking the coil cover off. We're gonna take the old rocker Johnny off. See if we can
This is not mechanic style, but
see if we can
bit of Kiwi ingenuity.
see what it looks like under here. Hopefully it looks better than the outside, otherwise we might have just spent 600 bucks on fuck all. There's just one coil. Chilling, so it looks like you got 4 coils. Actually, nah, bol. Just one. Rats. Nah. They're probably cooked anyway.
Yeah.
Sitting for that long. Get some Scales Johnnies. Is there 4 in there?
Yeah.
Ooh. Should just sell them to someone on Facebook, some poor sucker. Nah, I wouldn't do that.
Yeah, you would.
Yeah, probably would.
Alright.
Alright, found some light. And we're going to pull this rocker cover quickly before we go out with the middies. Try not to get in trouble. But yeah, we're too intrigued to have a look to see what $600 in the SR will get you. So Nick's just doing the honours. What are you taking out? Coils? Oh yeah, you gotta take everything off the top of this. Yeah, one's cooked. Hopefully you can pull it out. Pretty sure you can buy kits that convert these anyway from Franklin Engineering, so.
Right. Round 2. I've got my pliers there.
Is it rounded?
No, it's just pulling the stud.
Yo, we on. Here she goes. Set up the mood lighting. Oh.
Oh,
Just rip it off.
fucking.
Or just cut it with this.
I'll try and get it off in case.
Oh, easy, yeah.
It's a mechanic. To really just pull this fucking thing off.
What are you up to, man? The anticipation is fucking huge right now. All the viewers want to see what it's like. And so do I before I nick myself. Oh!
I just lost half your fucking gear, but
She's...
it's definitely
It's
seen a better life, but
it's actually not that bad. Like with a bit of a clean.
cams will need a skim, but yeah.
Oh, fuck that, new cams, boy. Oh, it's definitely a head gasket. Either that or it's just from it sitting around for so long. Or the water. Ooh. I'd say this has had a bit of a thrash. That definitely looks like a new head gasket. Look at the amount of fucking RTV that's down there.
Yeah, it's horrible.
But,
Fresh,
fuck, it's... I mean, other than the fact it looks crusty, that's not that bad, is it, even in time? There's one timing chain link right there. I can't see the dots. There should be dots on the... Oh, there it is there. It's not at TDC anyway.
Yeah.
It's just past. Oh well. So there you have it, boys. An SR20 for the channel. Hopefully this one will get worked on quicker than this one's fucking RB. Get on his ass about it. at nickjoseph69 on Instagram. So that's going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys are excited as I am about what's to come with that. Hopefully it gets worked on faster than Nick's one, which it probably will because it's going to be my own, so there won't be any fucking around, but we'll pull it apart, diagnose it, rebuild it probably, because who knows, might need a spare, might find a car to put it in, not 100% sure, but it'll be fun anyway, something to do, and it was cheap enough. There's lots of parts on there that if it's no good that I can sell and get my money back, so I'm not too worried anyway. But yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.